Okay, on Thursday you're going to be looking at page 363 and simplifying fractions by factorising first. Okay. The very first question looks like this. It would be wrong to come along and cross off that x and cancel it with that x. That would be a wrong thing to do. And the reason is that if you went 4 plus 6 and divided that by 2 plus 4, it's equally wrong to go cross off the 4's. You can imagine 6 over 2, that would be 3, where the actual answer is 6 plus 4, which is 10 over 6. So those two things, they're different solutions. So you can't just go crossing off things that are the same, like 2x's, when you've got addition on the top line, or subtraction on the top line, or on the bottom line. What we have to do is factorise the top line and the bottom line if you can. So notice 2 is common between both those terms, so 2 comes outside the bracket and it's x plus 1, because when I multiply it out I get 2x plus 2. X plus 1 can't be factorised, just leave it as x plus 1. But now do you notice that I've got an x plus 1 and an x plus 1? Those two terms can be cancelled. Okay, because they're in brackets. And my solution for the first problem is 2. This particular problem I'm going to do now will help some of you with your homework. This one I'm looking at is 2e, and it's x squared minus 36 over x minus 6. Again, we can't cancel an x with an x. We have to factorise first. Now, when you see 36, what comes to mind straight away? 6 squared. Well, it should come to mind quickly. 6 squared. So, for this one, it's what we call difference of squares. And that means we add 6 and we subtract 6. A refresher, if you multiply the outside terms, you get minus 6x. If you multiply the inside terms, you get plus 6x. The x's get cancelled. And we're just left with x squared minus 36 as an answer. The bottom, I can't factorise x minus 6, but thankfully I can cancel those two bracketed terms with each other, and my answer is x plus 6. One more, please, no one pack up. If the bell goes, let me finish talking. The last one I'm going to do for you is the very last one on that page, and it's 2 part O, and it looks like this. And again, this will help with your homework. This one, the coefficient of x squared is not 1. If it's anything other than 1, we know we have to start factorising by trial and error. I know that the last numbers in the brackets is 1 and 3, because those are the only two factors that I can find for 3. I'm going to try 3x and 2x, okay? Because I know 3x times 2x gives me 6x squared. Think about the outside terms. 3x times 3, that's 9x, and 1 times 2, that's 2x. 9 plus 2. Hey, that looks like it might, 9 plus 2 gives me 11. Looks like I picked it right first time, and that was by fluke. Think about the signs now. Because it's plus 3, they can either be plus 1 or plus 3 or minus 1 minus 3. But given that I want minus 11x, I know that they are both minus. Factorising that bottom line, again, it's a factorisation by trial and error. However, I know that the first term is 2x plus x, because those are the only two factors of 2. And again, I'm going to try 3 and 2 for 6, and I'm cheating a little bit because I'm trying to get a 2x minus 3, because I want to be able to cancel something with the bottom. So I'm going to try put minus 3 there, because I want to be able to cancel that bracket with that bracket. If that is minus 3, then this must be plus 2. Check your answer by multiplying the outside terms. Okay, check your answer. 2x multiplied by 2 gives 4x minus 3 times x, that's minus 3x. That will give me positive 1x, which is what I want. So that works. Notice that term can be crossed out with that term, and my solution is 3x minus 1 over x plus 2.